Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw Dogecoin from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between exchanges. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Bitrue, and that your Dogecoin is sitting in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. It's usually in the top menu. From there, click on Spot Wallet or Funding to access your assets. Next, find and select Dogecoin from your list of cryptocurrencies. Look for the Withdraw button next to it. This will open a withdrawal form. Now, here's the crucial part. You need your Bitrue wallet address. Hop over to your Bitrue account, go to your wallet, and copy the Dogecoin deposit address. Make sure it's the correct network. Dogecoin typically uses its own blockchain, so double-check that to avoid any errors. Back on Binance, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Binance might ask for a memo or tag if required, but for Dogecoin, it's usually not needed. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can mean lost funds forever. Once you're sure, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and complete the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account to see when the Dogecoin arrives. A quick word of advice. Always use reputable exchanges, stay aware of any fees involved, and never share your private keys. Crypto can be volatile, so double-check market conditions before moving assets. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Binance to Bitrue in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.